Hi students, in this video we shall reinforce the concept of dividing fractions through Mathematics A, Student Book 1, endorsed by Edexcel International GCSE 9 to 1. We shall be solving the exercise 3 star, page number 10. Before starting the question, we shall revise the concept that how we divide the fractions. We have two fractions, then we solve and we follow the rule. This is same, change, and flip. Always remember this one. Same means first fraction will be left as same. Okay, we do not change them. Change means division sign will be converted into multiplication. And flip means we shall move numerator to the denominator. For example, x upon y. So numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator. We shall flip the second fraction. And we shall solve all the sum very easily and quickly. Question 1. 2 over 43 divided by 20 upon 21. Now first fraction will remain same. So 2 upon 43 we do not change it. But division will convert into multiplication and 21 will go up and 20 will come down. Now we shall read the times table of 2 and 2 times 1 and we shall divide this 20 of the denominator of other fraction. So it will be 10. 2 times 10 is 20. Same way, 43 and 21, we check that this 43 and 21 are divisible by any single number or no. So I found that it's not possible. So 1 times 21 upon 43 times 10. We get it 21 upon 430. And this is the answer because we cannot simplify it anymore. Okay. Now we do question number 2. 8 upon 15 divided by 6 upon 5. Again, we will apply the same rule. First fraction we do not change. It becomes 8 upon 15 as it is, same. Dividing will convert into multiplying. 6 by 5 will be inverted, so it becomes 5 upon 6. Now 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 3, 15. 2 divided by 6 is 2 times 3 is 6 and 2 times 4 is 8. So we got here 4 times 1 upon 3 times 3. Multiplying numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So it becomes 4 upon 9 is the answer because it's not divisible by any other number. So it's the lowest term together. So question number 3. 16 divided by 2 by 7. Now 16 means it's a whole number. If nothing here in the fraction here, so it means there is 1 which is hidden. But we can write it as it is because it's the same. 16 by 1 equals 16. So 16 by 1 will keep as it is, will be kept as it is. Dividing to multiply. 2 by 7 will become 7 by 2. Now we divide 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 8 is 16. We got here 8 times 7 upon 1 times 1. We got 56 upon 1 or 56 only. This is your answer. Now we do question number 4. 4 question states 3 whole 1 upon 9 dividing by 14. Now this is a little different and twisted question. First of all, we convert this mixed number into fraction. So 9 times 3 is 27. 27 will be added to 1 will be 28 upon 9. Now here divided by 14 is 14 means 14 upon 1. Now we keep first fraction same, divide into multiply. 14 upon 1 will become 1 upon 14. So we read the times table of 14. 14 times 1 is 14. 14 times 2 is 28. So we have 2 times 1 upon 9 times 1. This becomes 2 upon 9, which is already in the lowest form. So we say this is the answer for question number 4. Question 5 is the same and will follow the same strategy. Question 5. We follow the same strategy. 2 whole 1 upon 3 divided by 2 whole 4 upon 5. Now we convert into improper fractions. 2 times 3 is 6, which plus 1 is 7 upon 3. Divided by 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14 upon 5. So now we keep first one is same. We can write here same, change, and flip. So we do not forget it. So first is same, 7 upon 3. Change division to multiplication. Flip 5 up and 14 down. Now 7 times 1 is 7, 7 times 2 is 14. We have 1 times 5 upon 3 times 2. So that one is 5 upon 6. This is your simplest form and the answer of question 5. I think you can do question number 6 and 7 yourself. I can do it for you, that question number 8. So this shows question 7 and 6 are your assignments. But question 8 I can give you a little help on. Question 8 says 1 whole 3 by 7 divided by 6 upon 35. Let me know if you need help on question 7 and 6 in comment box. If you do need, I will solve and upload there. Now here, 1 whole 3 by 7 divided by 6 by 35. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 3 is 10 upon 7. What we done? We have converted mixed number into fraction. Now divided by 6 upon 35. Again we use the same rule, same, change, and flip. Okay. So same is there, 10 by 7 as same it is. Division to multiplication change. 35 up here and 6 will come down. So 7 times 1 is 7, 7 times 5 35. 2 times 3 is 6 and 2 times 5 is 10. Now we have 5 and 5 in the numerators and denominator is 1 and 3. So we multiply. 5 times 5 is 25 divided by 3. We cannot divide 25 by 3 because it's not coming up in 3 times table. So we divide it. 25 and 3 outside. 3 times 8 is 24. So we subtract, we get 1 as remainder, 8 is quotient, and 3 is divisor. Always remember, quotient comes in the whole, this is 8. Remainder comes in the numerator, this is 1. And divisor will come in the denominator, and this is your answer. Okay, for question 8. Question 9 says, a roll of ribbon is 32.5 centimeter long. How many pieces 1 whole 1 by 4 centimeter long can be cut from the roll? So we write 32 whole 1 by 2 because we have to divide them into pieces of 1 and 1 whole 1 by 4 centimeters. We shall divide these two and then we'll get the answer that how many pieces are required. So 32 times 2 is 64. 64 plus 1 is 65 upon. we can rewrite in the term like 32 times 2 plus 1 over 2. So this becomes 64 plus 1 is 65 upon 2. Same way, 4 times 1, we can rewrite 4 times 1 plus 1 over 4. So 4 times 1 is 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So it becomes 5 upon 4. Now we again take the same formula, same, change and flip. So same, we keeping this 65 upon 2 same and division to multiplication change. 5 by 4 will be flipped to 4 by 5. Now 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 5 times 1 is 5, 1 carry, 5 times 3 is 50. So you are there with 13 times 2 upon 1. This is 26. So 26 pieces of 1 and a whole 1 by 4 centimeter long can be cut from the roll of 32.5 centimeter long ribbon. Okay. Now next question is, question 10 states, Dylan's cow produces 21 whole 1 by 3 liters of milk per day. The milk is put into bottles with a volume of 2 whole 1 by 3 liters. How many bottles does Dylan need each week to bottle all the milk? Okay. Dylan's 21 whole 1 by 3 divided by 2 whole 1 by 3. Now we make it 21 times 3 is 63. 63 plus 1 is 64 upon 3. Okay. Divided by 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1, 7 upon 3. Now we keep this same, then change, then flip. We get this expression. 64 by 3 into 3 by 7. Now we cancel this 3 and we got 1. Now we have 64 upon 7. So we say 64 upon 7 liters he will distribute for in a day. But for the whole week, how much he can for the whole week? This is per day. So when we have to make it per week, how many days are there in a week? 7. So we shall multiply 64 upon 7 with 7. We get here 64. Right? 64 bottles he will distribute. Okay. So this is your answer. So this is end of this whole exercise. I hope you have understood the concept. And if you have any confusion or any question, please do write in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.